to my channel. My name is Imora, and today we are talking about one of Sensational's kinky edge wigs. This one, I'll pop the name up on the screen somewhere over here. Got her in one of the fall colors in the curls, and let's do a close-up of those edges. They're real kinky, kind of gives 4C edge. And then of course you have your adjustable straps in the back, comb in the back, 2 combs in the front, and this one comes with an adjustable elastic band. So I'm gonna do as tight as we can get it, just to see if I can get like a glueless thing going. Let's see what she's giving. Okay, this is straight, just putting it on. No work, no nothing. I like this color on me a lot, period. So it's flush to my skin without anything. I'm just getting the hairs from underneath, so I won't be rolling under. So now I'm going to go in and start addressing this lace. I told y'all in the last probably couple of videos that me and lace have not been friends lately. So let's see. I'm taking my, I don't even know if they sell this anymore, but it's the Milani Cream to Powder Foundation in the color 292 Caramel Brown. This is what it is. I've had this for at least 4 years. I only use it on my hair though, for this purpose. Okay, you see how she's disappearing before our very eyes. Yes, yes, yes. And as you can see, I haven't cut off that tab there yet. I'm about to. I just want to see what the color was looking like. As you can see, she's looking good. And I think another thing that had me like messed up before is I was scared to get in there with the foundation. Get in there, don't be shy. Do not be shy. You see how the ashiness ain't shy? So don't be shy when you come in here and give it some melanin love. Yeah. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Looking good, looking good, looking good. So now I'm gonna cut off the excess lace that's here. This is, I kind of just want to go in and style it with my fingers first, just to get all that shed hair from cutting the lace off. Make sure all the hair is from under the lace, to see where it'll fall naturally. Looks like she wants to fall to this side. Going in with a wide tooth comb to kind of play with the curls a little bit. See, I like that bang that it's giving. Yeah. For some reason, I want to say that this is giving old Hollywood glam. But sometimes I just be saying stuff. The bang? Come on! Let's fix this here. Okay. And this is without doing anything to it. You see, I can't keep my hands on my head. And I feel like this is one of those wigs that as it gets older, it's gonna look really good. Also, if you brush it out, I feel like it'll look real good. I'm kind of gonna roll with the no part look. This is what we have. Look, it was basically styled when I put it on my head. Yeah. To wear it out, I would probably do some dry shampoo because it is a bit shiny, and brush it out some because I don't really like uniform curls. I don't like perfect curls. I would probably spray it with that Simply Styling spray that I use a lot, brush it out, and then spray some like holding spray on it to just hold that so it doesn't just get frizzy, become like a tangled mess. But yeah, welcome to fall. It's giving cute. It's giving principal. Yes. It's giving business owner. Yes. Come on, it's giving favored. It's giving blessed and highly favored. Talk about it. Yes. It's giving loved. It's giving worthy. It's giving daughter of the Most High. She's feeling herself. But yeah, thank y'all for watching me review and install this wig. If you want to see more wigs from me, more hair stuff, more of me just playing in my hair trying to figure it out, girl, subscribe, comment, tell me what you want to see next. I love y'all.